Nothing beats the taste of homemade jam, and today we're making a rich and fruity cherry jam. It's simple, it's delicious, and it only takes a few ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 750 grams of fresh cherries, 400 to 500 grams of granulated sugar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Just 3 ingredients for the perfect jam. We tried it with 400 grams of sugar and it still tastes really good, so if you prefer a little less sweetness, that's a great option. Start by washing your cherries thoroughly. Then pit them to remove seeds. Cut about 3/4 of the cherries in half and leave the rest whole. This gives your jam a nice mix of textures. Add the cherries to your pan along with the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Set the heat to low and let the fruit soften. Gently mash the cherries with a potato masher, then simmer for about 7 minutes until they're cooked down and releasing their juices. Next, add the sugar. Keep the heat low and stir until it fully dissolves. You'll know it's ready when you no longer feel any sugar crystals scraping against the pan. Now bring the mixture to a rolling boil and let it bubble. This is when the magic happens. The jam thickens and develops that deep cherry flavor. To know when it's ready, the most accurate way is to use a digital thermometer. Keep checking every few minutes until your jam reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 104 Celsius. That's the setting point for jam. But if you don't have a thermometer, don't worry. You can still use the traditional test. Just drop a little jam onto a chilled saucer, place it in the fridge for a minute, then push it with your finger. If it wrinkles and feels thickened to your liking, your jam is ready. Once the jam has cooled to a safe temperature, carefully pour it into pre-sterilized mason jars. Let the jars cool completely before storing them in the refrigerator. This jam is best kept refrigerated for up to a year. Always use a clean, dry spoon and make sure to close the jar properly after each use. And that's it. Rich, tangy, and bursting with flavor. Homemade cherry jam. Perfect on toast, in desserts, or even as a gift. Try it once, and you'll never want store-bought again.